Hello everyone, welcome from Sky Addons. Today, we are excited to discuss the Hover Video Widget. With this innovative feature, your website is on its way to becoming the go-to destination. Experience the magic of Hover Video Player. Just imagine, whenever you hover over a video, it immediately starts playing, giving you the ultimate seamless viewing experience. But wait, there's more. With Hover Video Player, you'll have access to an endless stream of captivating videos. Prepare to be amazed by this incredible feature. Let's explore some of the amazing benefits it offers. Just search for Hover Video on the editor panel and effortlessly drag and drop the widget into your editor. Get ready to explore this amazing feature and take your content to new heights. Enjoy! It has a customizable height and also features an aspect ratio feature. Additionally, it is able to control the visibility of buttons and progress bars. The Hover Video Player supports YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, as well as hosted videos. Let's try it out with some YouTube videos. Simply add the video link and update the content for the video as well.
Played in 2 World Cup final wins.
To enhance performance, you can also set up hosted videos with custom thumbnails. You will be able to set a progress bar and an icon precisely on the button, and then customize it your way. From the Settings section, you will be able to manage a wide range of features and player controls.
This is the second.
Let's explore the Style tab, where you will find a wide range of features to design the video player according to your preference. If you're short on time to design your player, no worries. Simply take inspiration from our demo website Stylish Design and then let your creativity shine by customizing the designs and updating the contents to perfectly suit your needs. It's a fun and easy way to create something unique while saving time. I hope you absolutely loved the video and got a fabulous idea about the marvelous beauty of the Hover Video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch it.